Cook Unity. I just got my goods. I'm actually about to open it up. So we got Indonesian braised beef and coconut sauce. We got 2 of those bad boys. I got truffle just glazed meatloaf. Salmon with potato. Salmon with potato by Ruben Garcia. Michelle's Meatballs. Truffle just glazed meatloaf. I got another salmon with potato. And then, because I have 16 meals, we have chicken parmesan with fresh mozzarella. Seared salmon with cauliflower lentil. I got a spicy chicken tenders. Shrimp. Grilled chicken with truffle, mashed potatoes. Mom's meatballs. Chipotle chicken enchiladas. And then my last one is low carb turkey patties with lemon aioli by Andrews Mendez. Let's go see how these bad boys are. I'll let y'all know. Ooh, meatloaf, Brussels sprouts, sweet potato. All right, I got my Coke, Diet Coke, my Tabasco. Let's try it. Here we go. Here's an honest review. I do not work for Cook Unity. Oh my God, that meatloaf is amazing. Let me try the Brussels sprouts. A little hot. Here's some sweet potatoes. Okay, Cook Unity, you got me. I'm a new fan.